What you're really doing is eliminating behaviors that don't work, attitudes that don't work, beliefs that don't work, and you are learning and connecting with beliefs, attitudes, behaviors, actions that do work. How many people you know have a membership to a gym that don't go? You go through emotional intelligence training that we're doing here. Not only are you going to go to the gym, but you're going to work out at the gym. When you do the work, you will start to create momentum. And when you start creating momentum, momentum equals action, and action and momentum, the confidence and the passion and the vehicle leads to success in business. Confidence, momentum, action leads to taking risks in relationships. We lack the belief in ourselves and our gifts, so we hold back. But when you go through the leadership training and you go through emotional intelligence work and you're using it and you're applying it and you're integrating it into your life, there is no way you're going to let that opportunity pass by. You're going to take action, you're going to take a risk, and the person will say yes or they will say no. Past is what stops us from creating the life of our dreams. And what we do in the training is we become aware of the past. We become aware of how it's impacting our current life because it's impacting everybody's life in different ways.